What is a CPU? GPU? TPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of a computer. We all know software is a set of instructions, but who carries out those instructions? It's the CPU. Since the CPU processes software instructions, it is also known as a processor. Other names include microprocessors, microchips, or simply chips. Intel x86 and AMD are types of CPUs. CPUs are made up of transistors. With advancements in technology, the size of transistors has reduced, resulting in an increase in the number of transistors and faster processing power. But there is a limit to everything, and now CPUs aren't advancing as fast as they used to. This has led to the development of new processor types, GPUs and TPUs. GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit. The more powerful GPU you have, the faster graphics will run on your computer. They offer high data throughput and massive parallel processing. Over time, GPUs have been adopted in high-end gaming, data science, machine learning, and Bitcoin mining. TPUs stand for Tensor Processing Unit. They are even more specialized. They perform matrix operations quickly, making them perfect for deep learning and machine learning tasks.